tapos na tayo. So, ano na tayo? Joy and Ethan.
Okay, signing off.
Namin. Isa't isa.
Definitely, I mean the whole thing.
Can you just say that? Joy and Ethan signing off.
Okay.
And this has been Ethan Del Rosario.
This has been Joy Marie Fabregas, officially
Signing off.
Thank you.
Pamamaalam ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards bilang Joy at Ethan iniyakan ng mga Katnin supporters. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat! Taong 2019 nga nang hindi inaasahan natatabo sa takilya ang movie na Hilulabagin na pinagbidahan ng dalawang bigating Philippine celebrities sa kasalukuyang henerasyon na sina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards, kung saan naantala ang sequel sa nasabing movie dahil di umano ay hindi pinayagan ng dating nobyo ni Catherine Bernardo na si Daniel Padilla na muling magsama sa movie sina Cat at Alden Richards dahil di umano sa silos.
Kasama ko dito si Mr. Alden Richards, my Entrata, of course. Kasama ko dito si Mr. Alden Richards,
Ngunit lumipas nga ang ilang taon ay isang malawakang broadcast sa Philippine celebrity industry ang bumulaga sa publiko ang hiwalayan nina Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla na ikinagulat ng lahat, kung saan nag-iwan ito ng malaking katanungan na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin ito matutuldukan kung ano nga ba ang tunay na dahilan sa kanilang paghihiwalay. Ngunit tila pinagdugto nga ang tadhana sa kwento sa samahan ng Katnin dahil lumipas nga ang ilang buwan ay spotted sina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards na madalas magkasama, kung saan umiinit muli ang nakakakilig at tinginan ng Katnin na nawi sa baliktambalan na pinamagatang Hilulabagin na record-breaking ang naging resulta sa Philippine movie industry na kumita na nga ito ng 1.4 billion pesos sa ikatlong linggo at patuloy pa na mamayagpag hanggang ngayon.
Kath, Alden, we're nearing the last stretch, no?
Yes.
I know, di ba? The Hello Love Again. In fact, we're gonna have a Thanksgiving and victory party tonight. May separation anxiety na ba? Ano bang nararamdaman? Ano pumapasok sa isip niyo na?
You know, since we got back from LA and then Canada, and then we did the Christmas special, nagtuloy-tuloy ka pa rin kasi. But today, this is my last work for the year.
Oh, wow!
Yes, for 2024.
Tapos bakasyon ka na.
Tapos bakasyon na. So, siguro ma-feel ko yun in the coming weeks, in the coming days, kapag slowly magsisink in na sa akin na,
Right.
oh my God, it's done.
Right.
Kasi what the year it has been, the schedules and everything, and all the blessings that happened this year, it was full of surprises.
Right.
Good surprise. And hindi pa siya nagsisink. And baka mamaya
For sure.
But lahat kasi lang naman feel namin yun, it's just joy. It's pure joy. So, more than anything, siguro alam din kasi namin na magkikita-kita pa rin naman kami. You know, there Kathy, Community Soy, and all the cast as well. So, I think the film ended, yes, but the friendship will always be there.
Right.
Like what happened 5 years ago, and then tutuloy lang yun.
At kahapon nga, December 13, 2024, ay eksaktong 1 month na simula nang ipalabas ang nasabing pelikula, kung saan isang Thanksgiving party ang idinaos. At kasabay nga nito ay ang pamamaalam ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards bilang sina Joy at Ethan sa nasabing makasaysayang pelikula na iniyakan ng ilang Katnin supporters. Para sa buong detalye, narito ating panorin ang video. Narito ang video.
That's true. Alden, ikaw.
Moreover anything, we're just very grateful with the turnouts. We didn't expect it to be like this. Kagaya nga ng sinasabi namin ng paulit-ulit, we just wanted to tell a good story, a great story about this star-crossed lovers na nagre-represent ng mga OFWs natin globally. And right now, we're just very fulfilled with everything that has happened. And yung pasasalamat namin to all the people who showed their support, parang ramdam na ramdam namin nagkaisa halos lahat ng mga Pinoy all over the world, and we're just very grateful for that. And I hope they have been inspired by this story as much as it inspired us as well, and to do more great projects like this for the viewers and to show them na talagang we have what it takes to show world-class films here in the Philippines.
Okay, maniningil na ako. And na, last na to. Kat, may number ka na ba? From 87?
Bukas pa din yung kaso, Diyos ko.
Ay, bukas pa rin.
Baka
Let's leave the case open.
Yes.
Case open.
Para mystery. Mysterious.
Ikaw, may name ka na ba?
Baka ma-check mamaya sa party.
Sa party.
Ano na rin, may dumaloy ng spirito ng ano.
Uy, yung Dubai nyo ha, yung skydiving nyo, how fun was that?
I know.
Yes, parang we were just so lucky to have that
Experience.
an experience kasi it was a holiday, it was very difficult to get a slot, but tinulungan tayo ng mga kapwa natin Pinoy doon.
Right.
And nagulat lang kami, ako nag-sink in lang siya sa akin by the time that I jumped off the plane. So nagulat. It was a fun experience. It was what a way to end our international promo.
That's right.
Yeah.
Naalala ko nag-full circle kay kasi ni-request mo pala siya 2019. Parang bucket list mo siya. Parang gusto ko mag-skydiving. Di ba?
Interview siya ng HLG.
Oo. Anong feeling na nag-full circle na gawa mo siya?
Oo nga eh. Binalikan nila eh. Nakita ko yung edit na yun. I'm like, yeah, I said this. Tapos ginagawa ko na. May konting tanong sa sarili ko pagtalon. Ba't ko ulit ito ginawa? Yung mga 2 seconds and then let's go.
Wala na.
Masayang parang may last minute regret. Diba? Parang,
Mga 2 seconds.
Mga 2 seconds regret. Pero after
oh my
that,
God, after it felt so nice.
Right.
On top of everything. Tapos, nandun na kami. Parang it was the perfect place to do it. Dubai.
Yes.
And, yun, buti nakakuha na slots. Diba? What an experience.
What an experience. Last na lang, for all your supporters na lang, who joined you from start to finish and, has been with you guys up to this
June ba?
July.
LA1 ba?
July. Ay, anime pa. Anime. May.
Since the announcement.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
Grabe. So, to everyone po, kalahating taon namin ginawa to. To everyone who joined us in this journey, know na hindi namin po makakalimutan ng experience na to as much as you guys are to it also. So, maraming salamat po for all the love and support. We could not have done it without you guys. Hindi naman to credit ng isang tao. This is a team effort, and all of you guys watching are contributed to all of it. So, maraming salamat po, and you inspired us a lot with this project. So, yan, as we end this year, as we end this journey, much love and gratefulness po ang tanging nasa mga puso namin. So we're very grateful.
Yes, we're very, very grateful. We did this project for quite some time. I think this is the longest I've done so far for a movie. Grabe yung naging journey niya. But hindi lang naman kami to. Lahat ng mga tao na tumulong sa amin and nagmakita ng suporta ever since we did the new movie announcement. Up until now, na-showing pa din pala, by the way, sa ibang
fifth
cinema.
week and over 100 and plus screens pa tayo ngayon.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
100 plus pa rin. 300 worldwide.
Saka sa Cambodia, nag-trending daw kayo.
How really?
Yeah, hello, love again, Cambodia. Go ahead, continue.
So, the amount of support na pinapakita nyo, not just here in the Philippines, but also online, all over the world, hindi namin ito magawa kung walang support na yun. And that support motivated us and kept us going. So, thank you. At tapos na tayo. So, ano na tayo? Joy and Ethan.
Okay, signing out.
Isa't isa.
Definitely, I mean, the whole team.
Can you just say that? Joy and Ethan signing off.
Okay.
And this has been Ethan Del Rosario.
This has been Joy Marie Fabregas, officially
Signing off.
Thank you.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video, at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat.